What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. It has been a fat minute since I've posted on this channel. That's on me, you know. I've got some stuff. I'm back though. That's all that matters. So, we're gonna keep rolling out the videos. I know I've said that in the last video, which was a while ago. But I actually mean this time we're gonna start rolling videos. Just a little kind of preview. I think I know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna definitely be doing some deer hunting videos, and I think with those I'm gonna be doing some vlog style type of thing. So like you'll see the start to end like process for that. So that should be kind of cool. In today's video, I'm going, I don't know what tense to use because I'm filming this after the fact, but we went duck hunting, me and my friend Gabe, which you'll see in the video here. So yeah, did some duck hunting today. Hopefully we'll get on some geese here pretty quick. I've been talking to a couple people about that, so hopefully that will come together. And pheasants. Pheasant season is open now here in North Dakota, so that should be fun. We're gonna be doing quite a bit of that, so try to film that to the best of my ability. So yeah, let's just get right into today's video. Don't really know what I said when I first started this intro at 5:15 this morning, but let's just get right into it. Good morning. We got the kid here. Here, probably turn that off so we don't get copyright claimed. That wouldn't be any good. But no, we got the kid Gabe here. Just talk to him.
What do you mean?
Just say hi.
Hi.
You've never been on the channel before.
Hi.
Okay, perfect. I know it's hard to see me right now, but I'm eating like a zebra cake. I'm like basically eating that, but the Halloween version. So that's pretty good. Stay tuned. Alright, everybody, we made it out to the spot. I'm on the left. Gaber's on the right. I hear some cranes right now. Alright, well, we just had a group come in. Pretty sure it was a group of pintails, but didn't get a shot off because we suck. But stay tuned. Gabriel, you have anything to add? Huh? No? Okay. They're coming. I smell them. I'm gonna pass out. Come on, duck. Where are you at? Oh, yo. Get him. Yes, sir, Gaber. Yes, sir. Talk to him nice. Let's get this thing.
There's my wad.
Right there. Yep. Yes, sir.
You want that?
You can keep it, actually. You can. Is that a greenling?
Huh?
Is that a greenling or what?
Mm-hmm.
Show the folks. Nice little bird. Good stuff.
Breakfast.
Yes, sir. Alright, folks, well, yeah, we just got one on the ground. Green-winged teal. Absolute sniper out here in the marsh. We're marsh warriors now, certified bird killers. I'm gonna keep calling. Gaber, I don't know if he's gonna keep calling. You gonna keep calling, Gabe?
I'll try.
He'll try. He'll attempt. So yeah, stay tuned. Bird on the ground. Let's go, baby. There you go. Let's go. We got a duck hunt. Come on. I can hit the I can't speak English. I can't hit the broadside of a barn. I just missed one. So, yeah. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. This is a continuation of our video that we're shooting, actually. This is our duck that Gabe shot right here. And we're gonna fry this up. We'll catch, clean, cook. I sliced myself with a knife when I was breasting this thing out, so that's all good. But we got the deer sausage over here that's frying up that James is making, so that should be good. Maybe pair it with our duck. We got the stove running. I don't know how you cook duck, but we're gonna figure that out. So I really don't know if we need butter or anything. Do you know if we need butter? You don't want to be in it? Easiest way to cook duck. I don't know what we're gonna do. I think we're gonna spray some Pam on the. This is what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna spray some cooking oil. Oh, vegetable oil.
I don't know. I have no idea.
I think we just do some Pam.
Go for
And
it.
then we throw it on there to see what happens. We got nothing to lose. Okay, so we're gonna take this knockoff Pam. This is the Kirkland brand canola cooking oil spray, and we're gonna go like this, so it doesn't stick. That should be enough. Put this back. Do you like salt and pepper? We'll throw a little bit on there. That's a lot. But, oh, maybe some Lowry's. Do you have any of that one?
Yeah.
Right here. I'm gonna throw a little bit of these on here. Just a little bit. Perfect. And we're gonna go like, oh, this is gonna cook fast. Are we still rolling, Gaber?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is our duck that we have in here. Clean this out to the best of my ability. Now we're just gonna go like this. Woo! Yup. Okay. Now we will be taking a spatula, if I can find where our spatulas are. Right here. And we're just gonna be kind of, not necessarily browning the meat, but that's basically what we're gonna be doing. And we're just gonna kind of cook it like this. We're just gonna go raw duck taste. We're not gonna be doing any, like, I really don't know. Oh, look at how fast it's cooking. We could probably turn this down. Let's turn this down to a low heat. Because this is going way too fast. Okay. This is gonna be good. This looks good. So this is my first time. I haven't even shot a duck yet. I'm the cook in this video, and Gabe is the provider here. But this is first time cooking a duck. I have yet to shoot a duck. I suck at duck hunting. Can't hit the broadside of the barn. But we are cooking her up in here. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper on there. Listen to that sizzle. Still feels a little squishy. We're just gonna hit with one of those. Just kind of doing his own little thing down there. He's waiting for this duck to be done. Look at this. This looks good. Look how fast this cut.
Yeah. It's tiny. Yeah, that looks actually really good.
Looks like little chicken nuggets.
Yeah.
But I think the inside is still a little squishy. Better to be safe than sorry when you're cooking wild game, folks. You don't want to have some bad duck and like end up in the hospital. But if I die early, that's how I want to go. You don't have to put in there. Let's go a little bit more. It's a little red. We don't want to. We want to be on the safe side. We don't want red duck. That's not good. Alright, folks, duck taste test here. We'll see how it tastes. Gideon, you want to get a close up on the... We already cut this one in half to make sure it was done cooking on the table, but this has a... Oh yeah, that's definitely done. That's a little red. We'll be fine. We're gonna... God, I'm nervous. We'll take a chunk off this side. Okay. It's not bad. That's pretty good. Huh? You want to try some? This might be the new thing. Well, I think it's a success. Has a little bit of a game taste to it. It tastes like, I don't know, it tastes like duck. It tastes like it has like some eggs in it. Like if egg was a meat kind of thing. Well, thank you guys for watching today's video. Like I kind of stated beforehand in the intro of the video, look forward to some more videos that I'll be rolling out here pretty quick. I have a decent idea of what I want to get filmed and how I want to do that. So hopefully things will turn out. Hope you guys enjoyed the cool new intro to today's video. That should be featured. So got that done a while back, but I haven't had a video to put it on. So hopefully that was cool. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it wasn't the greatest duck hunt of all time. No, by no means am I like know anything about like duck hunting, waterfowl hunting, all that. Definitely more of a deer hunter, but it was fun. It was awesome. It was a fun experience. Gaber took me out, showed me some spots. We probably should have had a couple more birds, but yeah, I can't hit the broadside of a barn. I kind of suck, so we got a lot of work ahead of us. But hopefully you guys will stay along for the ride and watch me progress in my abilities. That would be cool. Hopefully in the future we'll get on some more birds and I'll put some more on the ground for you. Hopefully you enjoyed, if I have it, the catch, clean, cook part of the video. That was interesting, trying duck for the first time, so yeah. Well, I'm not gonna keep you guys waiting so long with just listening to me talking, so thank you guys for watching today's video and I'll see you later.